In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change equation font in Microsoft Word. If you want to change your font or style of your equation, simply just click on it. Now go to Insert tab. Here you can see the equation option. Simply just click on it. Now select the equation, then click on Professional. Now you can see your font was changed. It's look like professional. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe the channel for more new interesting videos.